Yo, yeah, should me on 5 bed now. Look how me tired. You know, so me come here last night.
You jump on 5 bed?
You know,
Me backside.
Yo.
Sorry.
you know, she say, well, look how the place chuck up. We have to go get one room and rent, man. We can't stay too big clip in that situation. I prefer that not buy them clothes and you rent one room star. Look there. Clothes pan ground and them. So me can't leave some my clothes them for clean, man.
Babes, don't worry yourself about this. Enough people are come from worse than this. Me have to go get some money. Me have to get some money. As a matter of fact, me will check my auntie. Me did talk to my auntie already about some money and she did tell me say yes, should have helped me out. And as soon as me get it back, me will give her. Me go buy one bed.
Man, come in and sleep with box and board on him something, man. Watch it.
And this I look on.
The school, man.
And I underestimate you and me. Pack up your things then. Don't worry yourself. We'll get a room. Me not sleep back here so furious at night. This tough. It come like, yo, what chain and all. Me will get some money, man. Don't worry yourself about that. Pack them up. Yeah, I'll check my auntie.
So babes, where money do we give you?
You know, send me the surgery for mother.
I want to do mother make the surgery on her.
She have heart problem. So we have to spend out the whole lot of money. Right now, it look like even I need some more money.
Oh my. I'm sorry. Sorry to hear. I hope she get well soon.
Oh, hold on, some mother call me. Hold on. Yes, mommy?
Papa, how we are call mommy? I want.
Hold on. We are calling for.
Papa,
Hey.
you know, so I go on about $200,000. I wouldn't mind you give me $300,000 because that's something I want to go start out. When you can come link me?
What you want?
$300,000 at a matter of fact. When you can come?
What do you mean? Today you can get it, man. That's no problem. $200,000 look a bit of money.
Make sure you say card come give me enough because I have something important to start out, you know. Thanks, babes. Love you too. Alright then.
So what happened?
My mother said she wants 300,000 for doing next operation.
Wow. Don't worry. I'm gonna send you the money. I got you, babe. Alright, see, I sent it.
I see. Thanks you.
You don't have to thank me.
Oh God,
You don't
thank
have
you.
to thank me. That's the least I can do. That's
Thank
our
you.
mother.
I don't know what I'll do without you.
You'll never have to find out because I'll always be here.
Alright, I'll go down the road tomorrow and come back.
Okay, no problem, honey.
I'll be back, baby.
Alright, no problem.
I'll be back.
Stop. You know where is where I stop now? If you don't subscribe it, go subscribe. Hit the post notification bell. Me I wait. Like. Thank you. Share. Thank you. Alright. You can watch back the video now.
I'll be back. I'm coming, baby. Wow, you can make it, baby. Oh my
Can I
God.
something?
So you're not gonna give me a little hug, you know, nothing. Yeah. Come on, and this is interesting, yeah.
That's cool, man. You know, say we get your hug when you forget it. Don't worry yourself. All of my hug them are yours.
I told me love you, you know, baby.
You love me for you, you know?
I love you, man. Do anything for
All
you.
I money this?
I have to count you, all right. I love you.
All I money this?
Yeah.
What?
300,000 you ask, sir.
I lie.
I put all $1,000 in there for your
But
fear.
me have something to tell you, you know.
What?
You know, say one car, I want buy, and I want rent one room.
One car, one room.
Want rent one car. I rent one car and go for one of my friends, but I want buy one car for myself.
All right, rent a room. Get the room rent.
Me I go rent one room. You know hear what me I say? Listen, let me explain myself again. Me say me want rent one car and go look for some of my friends them up the line. But me have to go use money out there and rent one room. So you know, say me go want some more money on this. Because guess what? This can't buy car. It can't rent room and it can rent room, you know. But it can't go buy the car. Me want one personal car for me stop from rent car. I want to come out and rent house. So listen to me now, you know. You know, say you have to go tell that the woman the way you're having us and you need some more money. And as you get your better car, come give me because I want it. Because I have a whole heap of business to start out.
Me have the ways and needs how to get your time. You know, say you me love.
I'm your love.
Yeah, me not love her.
Alright.
Just because I have money. If we did have money, we left for a long time. Because me notice that because she have her money, she feel like say her money can help. And you me want, but you feel like the money not help.
So what you tell him? What you tell her? Say make sure give so much money.
Tell her, say, mother, do heart surgery.
Your mother?
Yeah.
So who you tell him say your mother?
But you don't know, say, my mother no have no heart problem. You ever tell her, say, no. But tell her, say, mother need a new heart, and it will cost 4.5 million, so that can buy the car.
So you are going to get the money give me to buy the car?
What you mean? She rich, you know.
A rich woman?
Rich woman. England, he need them come back.
You know, say you love me, you know. You love me bad.
Yeah. But we can't get none of that fruit. We want the fruit.
Me I go plan to make me do it, man. Later, cause me no want she come catch you out up on the road with me.
Alright, later.
She don't know what business, you know.
No, that's how we meet at shop. We always meet at shop.
You know, so me did have something for you ask her before me go away.
What?
She ever did know where you're there when me call you?
Yes.
I lie.
That's why we say yes, mommy.
Oh, I make you call me mommy.
Yeah, yes, mommy.
Mommy understand. Come go for go cuss you, come is not your mama.
Yeah.
I'm is your lover.
Yeah, baby. You know
Alright,
that,
then
baby.
later.
Yeah.
Just remember say I want the money to buy the vehicle.
All you have to talk about is the money.
Just get the money,
later.
give me to buy the vehicle and chop. Later, man.
Babes.
You have reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and comment